Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 5.3 and today I'll show you how we can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. It's really easy, but I'll show you step by step how to get it. So at the first, it's very important to prepare the good source of light. As you can see, like in my case, to see a very mess on the screen. Here I got fingerprints and other stuff like dust and something like that. So remember to prepare the good source of light. It's very important. And the next, when we open our tempered glass, we'll get wipes, wet and dry. Also tempered glass, and in most cases you will also get some kind of the duct tape stickers. I mean the stickers or some part of the duct tape. Wait a little bit because I lose the focus on the camera and I don't know honestly what is going on. Okay, sorry guys, it was something weird. And at the first we have to clean our screen with this wet wipe. And the stickers that I was talking about, you will need to take off the piece of the dust. But at the first, just clean your screen. It will be looks like that. Remember to clean every corner. As you can see right now, it looks much better. And then we have to move for the second wipe for dry. Okay, and as you can see right now, it looks like that. So definitely better. Right now we can focus on the tempered glass, so let's grab it like that. And we have to take off this foil, so make it like that. And as you can see, in most cases it goes very easy. We can peel it off very easy, but here this sticker doesn't follow with the foil, so we have to put our fingernail like that right here. I hope that you can see it right now. We have to put our nail like that to take it off. And then you have to take a look on the screen. If you have any piece of the dust or something like that on the screen, you have to remove that before applying the glass, because we will get the bubbles. But in my case everything is fine, so we can smoothly move to put glass on the screen, on the display. Okay, so I think that right now it looks really good. Keep holding the bottom part and try to put it in a good position. I'll put it like that, and then simply put the bottom part and make gesture like that with your finger, and then take a look. It goes almost automatically. Right now we have to use this wet to stick this glass to our display. And in the most cases, in the new phones, you get a little bit curved display. So when you got the flat version of the tempered glass, like in my case, you will get on the edges a little bit of the air. I'll show you how it looks. Something like that, as you can see. We cannot get rid of that because it's that this is totally flat tempered glass, and on the edges we can find the curves, so we cannot get rid of that, but it's not that bad. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.